This year, we're celebrating a significant milestone, the 15th anniversary of our brand, Secop. Secop is a dynamic company, forward-looking, investing in both society and the professional growth of its employees. The result of years of researching and development. At Secop, we are committed to providing innovative and reliable solutions. We are preparing to achieve a very important milestone, the production of the 1 million BD Nano compressor, a symbol of our success and our customer trust in us. At Secop, we don't just build the compressor. We build the future of refrigeration with passion, expertise, and a constant eye on innovation. Our primary commitment is to build solid and lasting partnership with our clients based on trust and reliability. Our sales team is always ready to listen to you, fostering continuous and constructive dialogue, whether you are a small business or a large corporation. Our customer service is always present and available to promptly respond to your needs. Our engineer application team, composed of highly specialized technicians, offers first-rate technical support to help you find the most suitable solutions for your requirements. But we don't stop here. The quality of our products is an essential value for us. We are deeply tied on our values: trust, commitment, teamwork, and the constant pursuit of excellence. Together, we can build a successful future based on solid and fruitful collaboration.